What's going on? What's going on? Ken with Bitcoin Crazy channel on YouTube. Hey, just thanks for tuning in, because today you wanted to learn how to buy Bitcoin with your useless cards. Any kind of cards. Amazon cards, Target cards, eBay cards, you name it. Any kind of gift card you have sitting around, you can go ahead and buy Bitcoin with. So that's what we're going to be talking about today on the channel. And once again, this is Ken with Bitcoin Crazy channel on YouTube. All things Bitcoin, altcoins, all the updates coming on hard forks, soft forks, new ICOs, all faucets out there that are producing, all miners that are legitimate miners, everything unscam related. But anyways, let's get back to it. Hey guys, wanted to talk about Paxful. In the description, you're going to find a link, and that'll take you right into Paxful. Super easy to sign up. Get signed up. Doesn't cost anything or anything like that. If you've got your gift cards sitting around, there's super easy directions. Just follow. So have all your gift cards ready, and we're going to show you how to do this. So once you get in here, you're going to go ahead and you want to buy Bitcoin. So we want to buy Bitcoin. You can use gift cards, cash, online transfers, debit cards, credit cards. You can do whatever you want. And here's a list. If you look under gift cards, you'll start to see some of the gift cards that are in here, but we can click gift cards. And pay using. It says pay using right here, guys. See how it says pay using? Pay using, you're going to see there's iTunes gift card you can use, Amazon gift card, PayPal, Western Union gift cards, bank transfer, vanilla, Steam wallet gift cards. I don't know what Skrill is. PlayStation Network gift cards, MoneyGram, eBay gift cards, Bluebird gift cards, Walmart gift cards, Perfect Pay. What else is in here? Target gift cards, Walmart Visa cards, Xbox gift cards, Google Play gift cards. Man, the list goes on. Best Buy gift cards. You name it, guys. You can use it to go ahead and now buy Bitcoin. Get Bitcoin. So this stuff doesn't have to go to waste, guys. You can just come on in here and do that. And the directions are pretty simple. Once you click on that, let's say you want to go ahead and use your, let's just say Walmart, because a lot of us may have a Walmart gift card sitting around. So let me go find that darn Walmart gift card. There it is, Walmart gift card. I'm going to click on Walmart gift card, and it's going to reopen all the offers for Walmart gift card, okay? So to get the gift card, you're not going to get a $100 gift card isn't going to get you $100 in Bitcoin, because you can see what the going rate is. So to pay on the dollar, it's like 62 cents on the dollar is what you're going to get. And so the remainder is going to go to the person that's giving you the Bitcoin. So, you know, you're getting in and it's a little bit of a cost, but you got these cards just sitting around, so why not use it? So we're going to choose this one, and we're going to go ahead and buy. And it's going to tell you what you need. And you're going to do buy now. You're going to tell them how much you want to do. Let's say $20 US, right? Well, let me see. Okay, so this one, there's a minimum of $100. All the offers are a little bit different. So you got $63 worth of Bitcoin, okay? So that's what they're saying, $63 worth of Bitcoin, a $100 gift certificate is going to get you. Well, someone probably gave you that $100 gift certificate, so you're getting $63 in Bitcoin, which, by the way, is worth, one Bitcoin's worth $14,592 right now. So that price goes up daily. It could be at $20,000 here in a couple hours. So this number could be $80 easily, or at a $100 value before you know it. But anyways, next thing you're going to do, you're going to go ahead and hit resend confirmation email. To buy Bitcoins, you need to confirm your email first. So click that. And then it will go ahead and send you that, and then you're going to go into your email and do that. And then you're going to follow the directions for everything, guys. There's easy directions. All you're going to do is follow directions. No receipt needed. E-codes are accepted for this trade. So what you'll do is just follow directions. You're pretty much going to scratch the code off the back of it. You're going to take a picture of it, put it in the system with a copy of the receipt per se, if they gave you a little gift card receipt, and you're going to show that. But just follow the directions. It's super easy. I've done it a lot, but that's how you're going to go about doing it. And this is this person right here. You can go ahead and chat with that person if you want. You can click on her name, and that'll go right in there. So that's pretty easy. I think there's another way you can talk to her as well. But guys, it's super easy. You can choose any kind of gift you want to go through and do. She will help you. This person on this one will help you now. So she just saw that I'm on here, and I just clicked on her thing. But I'm not going to go ahead and buy any coin right now. I don't need it. But this was just another way of showing you guys what to do with those gift cards that are sitting around. If you can't find anything in the stores that you want to buy or what have you, go ahead and buy some Bitcoin with your gift cards. All right. Anyways, guys, this is Bitcoin Crazy channel on YouTube. Remember, go ahead and click the link. And if you're interested in affiliates, do the same thing that I'm doing right now. You guys can make a video. There's links in here for that if you want to do some affiliate marketing or what have you. But right now, for those of you that probably are visiting us because you're visiting it, to go ahead and see how you can use those gift cards that are just sitting around to get into some Bitcoin. All right, guys, if you have any questions or anything, you need any help, go ahead and shoot some comments to me. And you've been awesome. Thanks for tuning in. Hey, hit the link button, the subscribe button. You'll get all my emails and updates and all the cool things that you can do out there with Bitcoin. All right, Bitcoin Crazy channel. Later.